Hi guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll be now understanding the concept called RAID. What exactly is RAID? The full form of the RAID is Redundant Array of Independent or Inexpensive Disk. So basically what is RAID technology? Let's try to first understand what was the purpose and how it works. The entire idea behind the RAID technology is to work with multiple disks. Now how this thing is going to work? We would have multiple disks, so you can understand, instead of having one single hard drive, we would be having multiple hard drives which are interconnected. There would be something called as array controller, let's call it AC. All the data coming from the system or going from the RAID would come across this array controller. All disks are connected to array controller. All disks are connected to array controller. The basic technology wise, RAID is going to do few things, which includes: number one, it would increase storage. Number two, it will increase performance, that is the speed of read write basically, or at least if not write, definitely speed of read, and it's gonna increase reliability. So putting everything together, RAID technology is going to help you with the storage, with performance, and with reliability. How RAID is going to do that? Let's try to understand. Which will give more storage. Second, performance by something which we call as operation overlapping. How this operation overlap works? Simple. When the data is broken into n parts, consider this is data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. Entire data X was broken in 4 parts, which was data 1, data 2, data 3 and data 4, which would be broken into several pieces and stored on different disks, as you can see in this example. Overlapping simply means that when somebody asks for data X, the request would go something similar to this. Array controller would be informed that it required data X. Array controller knows that data X exists in D1, D2, D3 and D4 spread across n disks. So basically it will send a request to disk 1 to search. The disk would search and D1 would be returned. Now what is the term called overlap? Okay, untold to you in the background, when the search was taking place over here, array controller, knowing the fact that D2, D3, D4 is available on disk 2, disk 3 and disk 4, will parallelly tell each of the disk to search for respective block D2, D3 and D4. So now when you were using your time up in searching, others would also do the same and keep the data ready. So next time when D2, D3, D4 is needed, they will be ready, available. Making one thing obvious, the time used would be saved. So this is how performance is coming in. The third thing which is going to be happening when it comes to RAID system along with n disk and operation overlapping is for reliability, is most of the time using parity bit, or in some cases error correcting codes or error detecting codes. Error detecting codes. So basically this is how RAID system is going to help us. It will help on storage, performance and reliability by giving n disk, operation overlap and parity bit logic. RAID has several levels depending on what is enhanced in what level.